Here's how to make YouTube thumbnails for free using Canva. Right, okay, so we're in Canva. So we're going to go up to Create Design. Up here, we're going to type in YouTube thumbnail. There it is there. Click on that. Okay. So, what we're going to do is we're going to add an image, and then we're going to do like a pop. We're going to make part of it pop out, and then we'll add some text. So, if we go into My Uploads, and then we just type in, I've got a picture of me. Actually, let's get one. So, something like that. Okay, so we click on that, add your image in. Now, we want to stretch this out to full screen. Okay, like that. Then, what we're going to do is we're going to add another one over the top. Okay, so add another one like that, except this time, still we're going to stretch it out full screen again. Okay, except with this one, we're going to edit image and we're going to just cut me out. Okay, so we go edit image and then remove background. Okay, and once that's done, click apply. So now you see there's a separate sort of, I've been separated from it. So now what we want to do is we want to change the background color so that it basically, but leave this the same. So we go into elements and then we just click on box. So if you just go in there, go to lines and shapes and open a box. I don't know why it does that. Anyway, get a box and then make that full screen. And now we want to change the transparency. Okay, so we lower the transparency of that box, put it to about 50, and then position it towards the back. So position backward. So now what you can see is you've got me kind of like popped out to the front, and then the background, we've sort of faded it out. We've got some transparency on there. And the good thing now is we can change that color. So if we go into the color of it, make it white, you can see it makes it lighter. You can change it. You can make it blue, yellow, any color you want now. But you will stay in the foreground or the picture, whichever it is you've cut out. So for this one, I'm going to keep it, I like a sort of a light blue. So I'm going to leave it like that. Now, we want to add our text. Okay, so again, I'm going to use some boxes for this. I'm just going to make 3 for this one. Okay, so one like that. And I'm just going to copy and duplicate that. So basically, I'm just going to click on that. And you've got duplicate there. So I want 3 of these. Okay, and there you go. Then we're going to change the colors of these. So I'm going to have a red one. I'm going to have a yellow one. Bright yellow one. And then a white. Okay. Now we're going to add the text in. So click on text and then just anything to begin with. And then we're going to go how to make. And I'm going to change it to a different font. There's hundreds of fonts in here. Choose one that you like. I like Anton. And we'll change the size. Maybe 85 is a bit too big. Maybe 80. Okay, that's fine. Right, and now we can change the colour and add some shadow. So for the red bit, I'm going to make it white with and then so change the colour. Then I'm going to go to effects, add a shadow. I want that to be not as transparent as that, so I'm going to put that up to 90, and I'm actually going to change the colour of the shadow to black. Okay, so that's the first one. Then just copy, paste, or you could have used duplicate again, That doesn't look very good on that because it's too bright, so I'm going to change this to black. And then we'll change the shadow to white. And then, again, duplicate and put it down there. And this one, we're going to do, I don't know, free YouTube. And then this can be thumbnails, if I spell it right. Thumbnails. Okay, so it's already starting to take shape. You'd probably just want to center all this. And then maybe we can add an icon or something. So I've got my, you might want to put your company logo in there, or your brand logo. I've got my own logo, so I'm going to stick that in the side. And then maybe here we just want to add like the YouTube logo or something like that. So sorry, we need to go elements, YouTube, and then pick one. And we just add that in down the bottom like that. So there you go. So that was a really easy, quick thumbnail. And don't forget, I mean, if you want to change the colors or anything like this, then obviously you can just do so by clicking on the background. We've got it as blue. Remember what I said, if you don't like that, you can change it. Maybe you want to do purple, red, anything you like. And then just line yourself back up. And there you go. So that's how to make simple, quick, standout YouTube thumbnails using Canva. I should point out I'm using the Pro version. But you can do pretty much everything I've just done there with the free one. So yeah, hope that helped. Thanks very much for watching. If you've got any value from that, please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.